You should never be afraid when eating desserts. At least that's what Heather Saffer of Dollop Gourmet says. She's with Fearless Desserts. She's here with Fearless Desserts this morning. When you say fearless, what do you mean by that?
I mean, a lot of people are afraid to work with kind of bold ingredients and things that they're not used to. Healthier ingredients. So we're talking about healthier ingredients, things that you might not normally think to put in desserts, but that you can put into desserts, and it's going to taste really good. So don't be afraid to try it.
Right. Be bold.
Be
fearless.
Bold, be fearless, and then you'll be fearless in eating it because it's gluten-free, it's vegan, so everything on this table is gluten-free and vegan.
All right.
So everyone can enjoy it.
That's good.
Right?
That's great.
Okay, so this is going to be a lot of taste testing today.
Oh, I will do my best to help you then, Heather. Oh, goodness.
So we start over here. This is a peanut butter coconut pie.
Ooh.
Now, I cut a piece for you to try.
I'll try.
Now, the thing with this, the ingredients in this, we used a jar of peanut butter frosting, which is healthier in itself. It's got half as much sugar as other frostings.
Really?
Yep. And then we used coconut oil, coconut milk, and the crust is made out of chickpea flour. So you've got...
Oh, wow. You can't taste any of that in here.
Right?
I taste the coconut and the peanut butter, but I do not taste anything like, there's no flavor, like the crust tastes like chocolate to me.
It's right. It's still a rich pie. It's still a tasty pie, but it's made out of chickpea flour.
Garbanzo bean flour.
Yep.
That's from Bob Red Mill, right? Bob's Red Mill?
Yes, they make a lot of great flours that you can use. And this has, so it has a lot of protein in it. There's 6 grams of protein in the chickpea flour. So you're getting a dose of protein. It's definitely a healthier flour to use. Coconut oil has health benefits. So it's a healthier pie, but it still tastes rich. And
this is so good, you guys.
And there's nothing to be scared of in eating it, right? You can make it, and it tastes good.
You sold me on this.
Okay, so now we have cookies. So these, I had a piece last night, and I didn't. I'm like, I'm not going to eat a piece, but that's probably why there's another piece missing. Sorry.
I was wondering where that went.
Yeah, it went in here. So these are zucchini oatmeal cookies with chocolate chips. Now, feel free to try one.
Okay. Now, zucchini is an ingredient in a lot of desserts that I would never think would go into, but it really works.
It works. It adds moisture. Taste it. You can't tell that it's gluten-free. You can't tell that it's vegan. A lot of people are afraid of gluten-free and vegan. They think that it's going to be dry. They think it's going to be crumbly. They think
this is the consistency of a muffin, you guys.
It's right, and it's got gluten-free oats in it. It's got gluten-free flours. And
delicious.
Then we used, instead of egg, I used flaxseed meal. So it's got a lot of flaxseed in it.
Really?
Yep. So you can take, in order to replace an egg in baked goods, you can take 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal and 3 tablespoons of water.
Interesting.
And that will replace an egg.
You would know. This is so good, everyone. This has, like I said, it tastes like, I can taste the spice, but it has the consistency of a muffin. It's really, really good.
It's really good, and it's healthier.
I like that.
So you can be fearless in eating
exactly.
it. Exactly. Now, over here, these are sweet potato cupcakes.
Stop.
With chocolate frosting.
No.
Now again, these are gluten-free and vegan. They're dense. They're moist. They're not dry at all. They're not crumbly.
I think this is going to be my favorite because I love sweet potato.
Do you? So you've got the benefits of the sweet potato in there.
I'm going to try
We also use flaxseed again in there to replace the egg. It's good, right? And there's coconut oil.
Heather, you did it again.
That's it.
Dollop Gourmet. You got to look for it at Wegmans stores everywhere. This is excellent.
Good. I know, I ate 2
I
last
really
night.
like this. She admits she's eating it all.